Okay, Alhamdulillah, that wraps up all our Ramadan deployment here in Indonesia. We started off in Aceh by distributing our standard Wakaf Qur'an to about over 100 students. And then we gave zakat to about 50 to 70 beneficiaries. And we had our mass iftar with our sponsored orphans in Bandar Aceh. MashaAllah, it was a joyous event in a grand setting. Over 500 orphans came to enjoy iftar sponsored by you.
Terima kasih kepada donatur, karena donatur kami bisa buka bareng. Semoga donaturnya panjang umur selalu agar bisa membantu kami.
And then from Aceh, MashaAllah, we flew 3,000 kilometers all the way to Surabaya here to distribute this digital Braille Qur'an to about 200 beneficiaries. All thanks to your donations. Jazakallah khair.
Saya mewakili rekan-rekan Tunanetra di Surabaya yang telah menerima Al-Qur'an Braille Digital ini. Berharap semoga segala urusan dari para donatur, rezeki, kesehatan, serta limpahan keberkahan serta kebaikan senantiasa dilimpahkan oleh Allah dan dicurahkan oleh Allah untuk para donatur semua.
Please continue to support Global Islamic Initiative here in Indonesia, supporting the beneficiaries, supporting orphans, Wakaf Qur'an, Qur'an Braille, and zakat insyaAllah. Jazakallah khair.